Hey you. Yeah, you. Hey you, who's watching me? Are you ready for my class? Hey you, who's watching me? Are you ready for my class? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I'm super excited. It is Friday. Woo! Before we start our lesson, we're going to do a warm-up counting by ones, tens, and hundreds. All right, DJ, can you start that track for me?
Killing it.
Oh, I know y'all know this dance. Ready? Right, counting by ones to 50. Get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, let's count by 10 to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, good job. Now 100 to 1,000. Get ready, go. 100, 200, 500. Keep going. 600. 1,000. Good job, good job. Stop the beat. All right, give yourselves a pat on the back. Pat on the back. Good job, good job. All right. Now, yesterday, we learned about decimals and numbers. We know that decimals kind of remind us as regular, Yesterday, we learned about numbers with decimals. Say decimals. Say decimals. All right, now, we know that yesterday we talked about ones, and then every time we move to the right, we know our place value gets smaller and smaller, okay? Our ones are bigger than the tenths, and our tenths are bigger than our hundredths. Notice the THS, THS. Those all mean that they are smaller. Every time I go to the right, I get smaller and smaller. Okay, now, I know that the decimal point separates the whole numbers from the parts of a whole. Yesterday, we learned here that this is one whole, that we represent it as one whole. And then we also show that tenths or hundreds are parts of the whole. Tenths and then hundreds. My whole is the biggest, then my tenths, then my hundreds. So today, we're going to practice comparing the two numbers. Say, I can compare numbers with decimals. One more time, I can compare numbers with decimals. All right, now we know that whenever we compare two numbers, we always have to start from left to right, from left to right. That's how we read. When I read this number, I read it as 1 and 19 hundredths. I read this as 1 and 91 hundredths. Remember, I say the place value, that is the last, okay? 1 and 91 hundredths. Okay, now, when I compare, I have to look at it from left to right. Say left to right, say left to right. All right, now, first, I'm gonna shade in my picture so it can help me see it, okay? So I have one whole. That means I have to fill in the whole picture.
You were kind of talking during some of them, though, so I didn't know if I could cut it out.
All right, now that is one whole. Same thing. Oh, wait, that is one whole. Now I'm going to look at 1/10. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a part of my whole. I have 1/10 and then 9/100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now I have 1 and 1900ths. Now I'm gonna fill this one in. 1 whole, 9/10, and 100. Watch me do it.
Okay, so go fast, get forward. I wish this could technically like go super fast on the video. Like if there's a way you can just like show your fast forwarding. Yeah, but I mean your head is like blocking what you're doing.
100. All right, friends. So I have 1 and 1900ths and then 1 and 9100ths. So which one do I have more of? If you look at this picture, which number is bigger? Which number has more? Which is greater than the other? Who knows? I see, even when I look at my tens place, that this 9 is greater than the 1. I can even see over here that the 9/10 is more than the 1/10. So that means that 1.19 or 1 and 1900ths is less than 1 and 9100ths. Now remember, my sign always eats the bigger number. This says 1 and 1900ths is less than 1 and 9100ths. Sing yourself some love. All right, let's do another one. Now, I see here 1. This is 1 whole. All right, 1 whole.
Babe, how much time am I going so far? 8 minutes and 47. Okay, I'm only going to do these first two. And not the last one because I realized I have more than 1 whole. And I didn't draw that.
Okay, I have 1 whole. Now I have 3/10 and 700ths. 3/10 and 700ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 1 whole. And 5/10. All right, so I'm gonna look to see which one has more. First, I can look at the 1 whole. They're both the same. Then if I look at the tens, I see that the 5 is bigger than the 3. I can also look over here and see that I have more in my picture here than I do right here. So that lets me know that 1 and 5/10, 1 and 5/10 is greater than 1 and 37/100ths. All right, guys, I know you're super smart, so you can understand this really easily, right? All you need to do is remember, when we're comparing numbers, we can look at our picture and we can see which one has more and which one has less. Or we can look at our whole, which number is bigger? Oh, they're the same. So I move on. I go to the next smaller one. I look at my tens. Which one is bigger? Ooh, I see 5 is bigger than 3. Or I can say I see 3 is smaller or less than 5. Now, let's end today's lesson with a review of our numbers on our place value chart. Okay, I want you to practice reading it, and then I want you to tell me the value of each place. All right, I have 8 and 8/10. I have, all right, now what's the value of the 8 right here? Good, 8 ones. What's the value of the 8 here? Good, 8/10. All right, let's do one more. All right. Now, this says 0 and 1/100ths. Okay? Now, what is the value of this number? Good, 1/100ths. All right, good job, guys. All right, I need somebody to give me a cheer. Yell it out. What cheer do you want us to do? All right, let's do McDonald's cheer. Get ready, go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Love you guys. See you later.